Not quite 100 years after the time of Sir Philip Sidney, there was a war between the Swedes and the Danes. One day, a great battle was fought, and the Swedes were beaten and driven from the field. A soldier of the Danes who had been slightly wounded was sitting on the ground. He was about to take a drink from a flask. One at all at once he heard someone say, "Oh sir, give me a drink, for I am dying." It was a wounded Swede who spoke. He was lying on the ground only a little way off. The Danes went to him at once. He knelt down by the side of his fallen foe and pressed the flesh to his lips. "Drink," said he, "for your need is greater than mine." Hardly had he spoken this word when the Swede raised himself on his elbow. He pulled a pistol from his pocket and shot at the man who would have befriended him. The bullet grazed the Dane's shoulder, but did not do him much harm. "Ah, you rascal!" he cried. "I was going to befriend you, and you repay me by trying to kill me. Now I will punish you. I would have given you all the water, but now you should have only half." And with that he drank the half of it and then gave the rest to the Swede. When the king of the Danes heard about this, he sent for the soldier and had him tell the story just as it was. "Why did you spare the life of the Swede after he has tried to kill you?" asked the king. "Because, sir," said the soldier, "I could never kill a wounded enemy." "Then you deserve to be a nobleman," said the king, and he rewarded him by making him knight and giving him a noble title. Pertanyaannya adalah, from the text we can conclude that jawabannya adalah D ya. The Swede has an ungrateful person. Jadi ini mengisahkan tentang perang antara tentara Swedia dan tentara Denmark. Kemudian ada tentara Denmark ini menolong tentara dari Swedia yang terluka. Nah, kemudian tentara Swedia tersebut tidak berterima kasih, malah ingin mencoba membunuh tentara Denmark yang ingin menolongnya. Jadi kesimpulan dari cerita ini atau teks ini adalah tentara Swedia yang tidak tahu terima kasih. Tentara Swedia adalah orang yang tidak tahu berterima kasih. Jadi jawabannya adalah D.